Hello everyone, how are you doing? ᴄᴏ here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix the error code 0x81000036 Windows Clone Find Backup Device fix tutorial. Go to the start menu and search for Windows Features. Turn Windows Features on or off and hit enter. In this new window, select this option. Scroll down and mark this option Hyper-V. Check this option and expand this menu and mark all Hyper-V options. And scroll down and unselect this option, Sandbox feature. Windows Sandbox, unmark this option or uninstall this feature. This square is in blank and click on OK. And wait for installing the requiring files and apply the change. Wait a moment. Windows completed the request change. Windows needs to reboot your PC to finish installing the request change. Click on Restart Now. And waiting for install all features. Log in your desktop. And this is all, your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.